One of the things I love about languages is that sometimes words just don't translate directly. So in Welsh, for example, Glas can mean both green and blue and convey a sense of vibrancy or aliveness. The word nen doesn't just mean a roof or a canopy. In a more poetic sense, it can also mean the heavens or the firmament above us. So in the case of the third song from Shimli by Davies, Mae'r yn Glesni, which translates to something like the heavens are greening, it has a real multi-faceted nature to it, which I think is really in keeping with the song. Davies himself was a preacher, a poet, an entertainer, and an immensely popular character from the southern part of Ceredigion. And the song was originally written as a May carol, celebrating the exuberance of spring with everything budding and bursting into life and a fair breeze coming to rouse us from our winter slumber. It's written in tri-thrawiad, which is a very old metre which traditionally is performed or sung in quite a slow, plodding, processional sort of way. And to me this didn't really match the sentiment or the feel of the song and indeed the season. So I decided to experiment a little bit and speed it up, and so far the folk police haven't come knocking on my door, so fingers crossed.